Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Lakshmi Motivational Talks. How are you all? I hope all are doing good and doing better, and I am also happy. టుడే thumbnail చూస్తే మనకి స్టోరీ థీమ్ ఏంటి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి అని మనకు తెలియదు బికాస్ దట్ వాజ్ ఇన్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. సో వీడియో చూస్తే కంప్లీట్గా ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటి అనేది మనకి అర్థమవుతుంది. సో డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సీ ఎంటైర్ వీడియో ఆర్ లిజన్ ఎంటైర్ మై ఆడియో. సో మొత్తం వీడియో ఎండ్ వరకు చూసి ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటో మీరే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో చెప్పండి. సో ఇంకా లేట్ ఎందుకు, లెట్స్ గో టు అవర్ స్టోరీ. Once upon a time, there were two friends. They are not only friends, they are more than that. From their childhood, they are friends, so their friendship was unmeasurable. From their childhood, they used to spend more time as well as more money to enjoy their life. They don't even know the value of money. Always they used to spend the money for only enjoyment, not for uses which we required in our life. They don't even think about their family. Only parties, enjoyments, friends. They don't even think about their families also. Mostly they used to be in parties only. They were completed their 10th standard. That time also they don't know the value of money. They both joined for intermediate. In college life also, they don't even think about their studies. Always enjoyment only there also. In college life only, mostly boys will have some habits will come. So the same way they increased their bad habits also. For example, drinking, smoking, eating more and wasting more food, like this. Like that they used to enjoy their life. Their parents also left about these people because they never listened whatever they said to both of them. After intermediate, they joined into degree. Here also the situation was same. As the age goes moves, their behavior also changes and started more enjoyment, more parties, more friends, like this. After the degree, they have qualification degree certificate. They both sat together and decided to join for a small job. Because by the job also we'll get a salary, right? So they are thinking no need to ask our parents about the money. We will only earn some money by doing small jobs, then we can enjoy more, right? Then no one will ask. Mostly our parents will not ask if you are in a position of earning some money. So they have chance to enjoy their lives. So finally they joined in a small company. Whatever they would get salary, they used to enjoy in pubs and eating more food and wasting more money on food, like this. They didn't even save 1 rupee for future purpose also. After some days, one person got married, and after 1 month of his marriage, the other person also got married. So both have children too. That time they were thinking about the money and got scared how to survive. Now they are getting scared because they don't have money and they didn't save for future purpose. They enjoyed a lot at the present only. So they didn't save for future. Now they are thinking how to survive and how to make their children more happy. That time one person got one idea like this. Now we don't have even some pocket money as well. Then how will make our child survive and happy? Before we were single, so we enjoyed a lot, but now the situation was different and difficult to survive also. So we'll go to the city and we'll earn some money and we'll come to hometown and make our family happy. For the other person said like this, as you said was exactly correct, but what will do work there and earn money? Then he replied, no problem. If we go to the city, at least we will get some part time jobs and we'll get some money and we'll come back to our home and we'll make our family happy. So they said about this matter to their families, and their families also accepted. So they both started the journey to the city. In the middle, they both decided one thing. What they are thinking, if they both go to one place and start working, they will behave like before only. Before they used to enjoy more, right? So, like that, they thought, and they were not together now. So, one guy will go to one place and another guy will go to another place. So, they thought when they met together, then they will start enjoy the life. Like that, they thought. One person started earning and the other person also started earning. But one person earned some money and keep it aside for future purpose. One day he got an invitation from his cousin for a party. He decided to go and eat more food because that money is not related to him, right? He went to party and had non-veg more. Next day again he thought to buy the non-veg and eat. So this continues and slowly started drinking alcohol also. Finally, he lost all his money for enjoyment again in his life. At first, he saved some money for future. Later, started drinking, eating, everything. So now he has no money. So he can't go to his home also now without money, because first they said they'll earn some money and they'll come back, right? So like that happens. So he started begging in front of the temple. He has no choice and no opportunity to earn some money also. So he started begging. One day he saw about his friend in the newspaper. Like he was in a good position. He was earning and he was enjoying a lot. So that news he saw in newspaper. So the begging person thought to meet him. So one day he went to him and told about these situations. So after saying, the rich person means who earned the money, that person said, I earned some money and saved for my future. So after saving, I'm enjoying now. But what you did, you saved money and you wasted. So no one will help you now. Do whatever you want. Like that he said. And he said, don't show your face again to me. Like that he said. So this all about this story. By this story, what we understood is like, if we have some money now, or if we earn some money now, it's better to save for tomorrow also, because we don't know what tomorrow may come, right? So if we have money today, use some money for today purpose and save some money for future purpose also. So when you don't have money, no one will come and help us. So thank you so much for listening my story, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment, and if you have any ideas, and don't forget to share in the comments. So thank you so much.